It's haircut day today, but not for me, for this. This tree has gotten way too overgrown. It's actually reaching all the way up to the ceiling of the greenhouse, which is gonna be a problem when it turns hot in the summer. So we're just gonna reshape this thing. It's gonna look like a complete hack job because, well, it is. I don't follow my normal tree trimming protocol when it comes to ficus because you can cut them down to nothing and they will just rebound and regrow really quickly. Essentially, I'm just going to leave everything from this line downward and everything from here up is gonna be gone. All right, let's get to it. Trying to decide what's gonna be next. I'm gonna need the chainsaw. This is safe. Totally safe. It's fine. Next big one going down now. Whoops. RIP, little buddies. There's some plants under there. Probably should have moved those. Shh, don't tell Rhonda. Nobody saw that. Nobody saw anything. It's fine. It's fine. Loppers. Might be done. I gotta clean that up a little. It looks terrible. Just the way I wanted it. Seriously though, trust the process. It's gonna come back, it's gonna look gorgeous. It's gonna be a lot more compact and proportionate. Assistant Sawyer sure is gonna have a lot of branches to clean up whenever he works next time.